The other day my neighbor came over and was asking me a couple of questions. He noticed that when he turned the fan on in his car, he was getting this really unusual noise, wondered if I could come over and take a quick listen. We stepped over there. Sure enough, it's making this weird noise when you turn the fan on. The faster you go with the fan, the louder the noise gets. I said that was something we could take a look at for him. It'd be no problem. He dropped it off at the shop the next day. After we took the fan out, this really neat Dunkin' Donuts napkin came out of the bottom of the fan. Somehow or another, he must have thrown some napkins up on the dash and they got sucked in there some way or another. I let him know that maybe he needed to cut back on his donut consumption and that could help prevent the napkin incident in the future. We got a good laugh out of it, and he was happy that it was something as simple as that. So, in case you have a weird noise when you turn your fan on, or maybe there's just something else going on with your car you're not quite sure about, please feel free to give us a call. We'd love to take a look at it for you. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Thanks for watching the video. Please share the video so that other people with a similar situation can get the proper information.